Hello students, today we will begin our new chapter, that is chapter from your Poonam Gandhi book or your NCERT book, and the name of the chapter is Business Services. So first of all we will know that what is the meaning of services. Okay, so services means a series of interrelated activities that are performed to give a to give out some important utilities. Okay, so services means that you have to perform, or it is a group of activities which is performed to provide certain useful utilities or certain useful outcomes. And business services has a specific definition, that means those will be the services which are related to the smooth flowing of business. Okay, so here we have the meaning of business services. The specific meaning of business services are: these are the activities that are useful for carrying out the smooth operation or carrying out the business smoothly without any interference or without any problem. So business services are referred to as the activities that assist business yet does not deliver a tangible commodity. Services are not tangible in nature, that means you cannot uh, touch the services. Okay, so it is an intangible services. You have to feel it, you have to feel the services. And how will you feel it? If you can only feel it if it is given to you at your maximum satisfaction level. So business services can be of various types. It can be a banking service, it can be insurance, it can be transport, it can be IT services, etc. So all these activities are helping the business to carry out its operation smoothly. Okay, now we will learn in details that what is the features of business or business services. We will run in details that what is the nature of business services. So the first and foremost feature of business services is, or any kind of services is, it is intangible in nature. That means it is not it doesn't have a physical existence. You can only experience it, you can only feel the existence of a service. Like when the teacher teaches in a school, it doesn't create any physical output, isn't it? But it creates a service, and that is by imparting the knowledge to the students. Similarly, doctor's treatment, a lawyer's consultation. Okay, so these are all kinds of services. So it is intangible in nature. Next point, number B, inseparable from the provider of service. We cannot separate the service provider from the services. That means a person who provides a service has to be engaged with the service. Like we cannot separate the bank from the banking services. We cannot separate the teacher from providing the education. We cannot separate the doctor from providing the treatment. So wherever it is produced, it has to be serviced, or it has to be used then and there only. Okay, next is inconsistent in nature. That means the services has to be inconsistent. It will not be of homogeneous nature, it will not be of same nature. It will vary from firm to firm, from person to person, and according to the demand and wants of the customer. So services has to be modified within from time to time. Okay, so that is why it is inconsistent in nature. It cannot be homogeneous, it cannot be fixed forever, it has to change. Next we have inventory. All of you must be knowing the meaning of inventory by now. Inventory means stock. So we cannot store the services for a future period of time. Okay, so whenever a service is being produced, it has to be consumed there only, or at that time only. You cannot store it for future. Like whenever there is a services given by the bank, that time only it will be served to the customer. In case of IT sector also, suppose when you call a call center, that means that time only he is giving you the service. He is clearing out your queries. He is providing you the service then and there only. He will not say that ma'am I'll tell you for the future period of time, or you wait for the future period of time. They will not say. They will give you the suggestion. They will clear your problems and queries that time only. So it cannot be stored for future period of time. Okay, so services are not inventory in nature.